Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area where the widget will live. Long press an empty spot on your home screen and tap Widgets. You'll see a scrollable list of available widgets grouped by app, scan names, and sizes. Pick a widget and hold it to see a live preview of its footprint. Once the preview appears, drag to the desired location so you can evaluate spacing and alignment. Make sure you leave room for resizing later if the widget supports it. After you drop the widget, adjust it immediately. If resize handles appear, drag them to expand or contract the area until content looks balanced with icons. Next, tap the widget to open its configuration screen. Complete setup fields such as accounts, locations, or refresh intervals. You may need to allow permissions. Tap Allow when prompted so the widget can access necessary data. Once configured, the widget will begin updating. Make sure auto refresh or manual refresh settings match your preference. To finalize or change the widget, long press it again. Drag to reposition, use handles to resize, or tap the small settings icon to tweak preferences. If you want it gone, drag it to remove or delete shown at the top or bottom of the screen. That only removes the instance, not the app. If the widget stops updating or shows errors, restart the launcher or the hosting app and check background data and battery optimization settings. Doing so resolves most sync or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.